Hi guys, it's Mishal here from TreeWear, and we've been thinking about some of the things that we can share online during this time of quarantine. And we realized that going to shops and trying to buy what you need is quite a difficult thing during this time. So in case you've forgotten any of your cleaning products while shopping, we've got you covered. Let us know if you are enjoying some of these videos. We'll keep posting some more as we go down the line. So once again, just reminding you to stay indoors, be safe during this time of quarantine, and yeah, be healthy.